Sanibona bafowethu. Hey bafowethu. Yazi guys usafa ngempela bafowethu. Mina nga-understand bafowethu. Bafowethu i-completion yami fuke ngayikho nje. Like buka mfethu. Like buka lo munye umdlali lo obeke isandla phansi lana. Othe kanjena buka u-Apollo unjani. Okay guys i-audio like okay akuyona audio but equality yesithombe ayinge. Hayi bafowethu this is not acceptable bafowethu. Bengibuka eFrance, ngibuka eGermany, ngibuka eEngland from ama-arrivals ama-players mfowethu from to see bahlalaphi emahhotela, how are they reacting kuma setup enziwa ucoach. Ubona ama-defenders bethana ndawonye after umdlali enze setha akhuluma uthi hayi ziyakhala kushubile iyashisa guys bethu. Like we wanna see ama-players ethu like this is just you can even hire noma ucele ikhona ni-create eli-1 ukuthi mfethu noma u-2 sicela ukhokhela ama-bills alolu hambo ngeke siholele. Just be there wena pusha i-content yakho, they will go bafowethu. This is angazi we not seeing anything even kade ama-players efika laphana i-touchdown. It was like idlala umculo tu angazi ukuthi like angathi abadlala abaphuma eThekwini bodlala isiteke emakhaya like bafethu i-turn out le kwi-first training yethu bekhona ama-fans amangaka egroundini. Yes, i-Mexico le kahle kahle in between la kubona kukhona ama-analyst la, they are doing ama-training sessions wide open and now I wonder ukuthi banayo i-understanding and bayawenza nama-setup mhlampe like mhlampe lapha benze just like basic footwork and stuff like ama-tactical analysis. Then kumele bawenze ehhotela. I-Springboks yawenza kwi-World Cup benze imall ehhotela because babe too exposed. Thina are we having leyo mqondo njalo bafowethu? I-Android yakuphi le guys serious buka bethu like umkwena la angazi mhlampe angasukhathazekile nale phone umkwena imenza befethi like bafowethu. We not even see with some players are happy. We not even ama-interactions nama-players. We wanna see i-breakfast. We wanna see ukuthi i-recovery. We wanna see them telling us, hey guys, we are here for you Mzansi. Kumanje mina ngazi ukuthi iJamaica idlala ngoba isikhathi siyibuka yini like fethu go to i-Pirates ixolisa kwenze kanje go to Pirates and the Sundowns buka nje ukuthi umshishi ubenza i-contract renewal kube into enkulu like fethu baqasha oTiko Modise oDJ because i-content means a lot to promote lama players. You need to make them uba expose like tell ukuthi boy lana abantu bayibukile into yethu eat well, speak well, communicate nama players, help them fethu basize like guys ngibonile behamba nama camera but it is yabo uma mfethu as a player indlela ogqoke ngayo ukunikeza i-confidence as i-Pirates i-progress because they took serious izinto as beyond i-game like as beyond 90 minutes. I-content indlela abadlala baqoka ngayo these things effects like zinomthelela kubafana. We don't the same players bangathi uma befika ehhotela baqale babuka iFrance yenza ama-training sessions. I'm telling you we don't have why singena ama-content creators guys uSafa is failing us. So gents please lama iPhone enaphethe just do i-content thina sonilandela sinibuke nenza ama-live hibu.